Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Jo Baird of Jo's Crafty Hook and Jo's Crafty Hook Designs. Today I will be showing you how to do the front post double crochet. This is good for anything that you want to have an extra stretch for in like clothing. Actually, I'm doing this video for a pillow, so you want it to be able to stretch over the fiber that you put inside or a washable pillow that you put inside. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started, and what you need to do is chain 3, wrap your yarn around the hook like you're doing the double crochet. Insert your hook into that first chain, wrap your yarn around and bring it through. There you see we have 3 loops on the hook like a regular double crochet, but with Foundation Double Crochet you are adding an extra stitch here. You are making your chain stitch like you would if you chained 30 and then went back and double crocheted. But in Foundation Double Crochet you are creating a chain and the double crochet. So what you need to do is you need to wrap your yarn around the hook and draw through 1 loop. Okay, that creates your chain, and then you just finish it like you would a double crochet. So wrap it around, bring it through 2 loops, wrap it around and bring it through 2 loops. Okay, and there you have your double crochet. And then also you have your chain 3, which does count as a double crochet. So you've created 2 double crochets here. Okay, so what you do is you wrap your yarn around the hook, you go into that first chain that you created, which is right here. So make sure you go under both loops of that chain, and there that is right there. So you wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through. You have 3 loops. You want to wrap it around and bring through 1 loop to create your chain, and then do your double crochet. So you wrap your yarn around the hook, bring it through 2 loops, wrap your yarn around the hook and bring it through 2 loops. Okay, so wrap it around, go into that chain that you created, being sure to go under both loops, wrap your yarn around and bring through, wrap your yarn around, go through 1 loop, wrap your yarn around, go through 2 loops, wrap your yarn around and go through 2 loops. And there you can see that your chain is being created and your double crochets. Okay, so again, you wrap your yarn around the hook, go under your chain, wrap your yarn around and bring through, wrap your yarn around, go through 1 loop, wrap your yarn around, go through 2 loops, and go through 2 loops. Okay. Again, so we are wrapping yarn around, going in our chain, wrap our yarn around, pull through, wrap our yarn around, pull through 1 loop, wrap our yarn around, pull through 2 and 2. Okay, and there you can see we have our double crochets, and then on the bottom we have our chains. Okay, so I will do a couple more for those of you that are just learning this stitch. You wrap your yarn around, go in that chain going under both parts of it, wrap your yarn around, bring through, wrap your yarn around, bring through one loop, wrap your yarn around, go through two loops, wrap your yarn around, go through two loops. Okay, and I did do that wrong. So again, you wrap your yarn around the hook, go under the chain. I went under the wrong stitch there. Okay, so wrap your yarn around, bring through. You have 3 loops. Wrap it around, bring through one loop to create the chain. You still have 3 loops, so wrap it around and go through 2. Wrap it around and go through 2. Okay. Wrap our yarn around the hook, go under the chain. Apologize here. It's a little early, so my shakes. Okay. So wrap it around. Wrap your yarn around, go through one loop. Wrap your yarn around, go through 2 loops. Wrap your yarn around and go through 2 loops. Okay. So there you see the Foundation Double Crochet. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any comments, would like to see anything on video, you can put those in the comments as well. As you can tell, I'm left-handed, so the front post double crochet was done left-handed. I will be making a series of videos for left-handers, so be sure to watch that on my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate you subscribing to my YouTube channel, Joe Baird of Joe's Crafty Hook, and I will see you next time.